Hi guys, good morning. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன வீடியோ so what we are, what video we are going to watch is um, if you are in true twin flame journey, then break up with all the drama. Okay, so that is what is going to be today's video. So actually, yesterday's video you would have seen and known whether are you in twin flame journey or not. Okay, so you would have known what is meant by life journey, what is meant by twin flame journey, and what is meant by obsessive journey. So being very authentic to yourselves and involving yourselves in your self improvement and being so committed to your self improvement is twin flame journey. All these things you would have known by yesterday's video. So today what we are going to see is what is all the drama happening in the name of this twin flame journey. Okay, so what happens is actually many people call me for call session. Okay, so this is as a clarification for all the people who come in the call session also. Let us keep like that also. So what happens is actually from we are like how to tell at the present moment, usually in general ladies I'm talking about, at the present moment, how they are is like very desperate, emotionally they are not fulfilled, they are still living in that emptiness. So in that emptiness they have lots of neediness, they have lots of longings, and they are so desperate for the person they have in their mind dream. What they think is isn't there any person born for me? Won't any person understand me? Won't anybody accept me for who I am? And won't anybody love me for just who I am without any expectations? This is the actual wish of a woman, and it never gets met up, this expectation. And she always lives in that desperateness and frustration. Okay, this is the present situation. This is rooting up from where means, so every child, whether it's a boy or whether it's a girl child, when she is born in a family, when she is being brought up in a family, we all have this mother wounds and we all have this father wounds. We like what is meant by this mother wound and what is meant by this father wound is in simple terms I'll tell you. Okay, so like my our mother as well as our father, they both are emotionally unavailable for us. Okay, and they both are like financially also unavailable for us. Financial unavailability means they do all their responsibilities, there is no doubt about that. Okay, so they pay the school fees, they give money for the, they spend money for the books, pen, geometry box, all these things, uniforms, shoes, socks, all these things. Okay, but if we ask for something, we wish for something, and we ask for money, we will never get that money, we keep on longing for that money. This is called financial unavailability. And they are like as a moral support also, parents are unavailable only. Parents are like how their social image shouldn't get spoiled, their name shouldn't get spoiled, so it's okay if whatever blame comes and falls in their kids. So like that only, to stand as a moral support also they are unavailable only. And same way, we want to go to some place and we want to explore places, we want to see places. Okay, so and we wish to go to that places and see, and we wish like we are small kids now, if our parents come or if our parents take to that places and show us, it will be nice. Even physically also they are unavailable only. So when uh, every way parents are unavailable to us, it strongly gives an impact directly in us, that is called mother wounds and father wounds. Okay, so and from childhood days we have seen and witnessed the way of lifestyle how our parents are living. Our father is always dominating and dictator, and he sets the rules and regulations of the family. Okay, and mother is always dependent, even whether if she is earning member also, her passbook, her checkbook, ATM card, everything should be with the husband. Okay, even for her expenses she has to get money from husband and go to office and come back. So we have seen only such a situation. Okay, so and we also witness that just because our mother is dependent to our father, and she has been made as a dependent to father. Whatever our father like hurts her or troubles her, no other go, mother is living like this. So this inner so this thing, because we are being born as a female, these people are victimizing us, these people are manipulating us, these people are using us. All these things create that inner feminine trauma. This inner feminine trauma roots from this father wounds and mother wounds. Okay, same way this all happens from our childhood days also, so that inner child trauma also happens to us. And whenever that girl is watching the father or all the men around them, all that now, so women always witnesses men only know to give pain to the woman. Okay, so this um, reflection of men masculine within her uh, visions and within her energy field na, it is always very traumatic. So this is how inner masculine trauma also sprouts out from this father wounds and mother wounds within her. So by basic, this mother wound, father wound, inner child trauma, inner feminine trauma, inner masculine trauma, nothing is being healed. You are living like that only. Okay, and until when we are still in our parents house, even though this all traumas emotional, these are all emotional traumas, all these emotional traumas happens, we have a protected shelter, we are under our parents governance, we have all the three times food to eat, we have good clothes to wear. So all this emotional trauma doesn't affect us so much. We have that small wish only, what our father and mother, they both are unavailable to us in all the ways. So the immediate next relation we think of is the unconditional love, which we are not able to get from our mother, we are expecting that from our sister, elder sister. And when that is also not got from our elder sister, we feel that unavailability so much. Okay, so and then that actually hurts us very badly, that breaks us very badly also, because our siblings are of our age only, of our vibration only, they can understand us. And that's why the expectation is also more than parents. And when that expectation is not met out, that breaking you are breaking now, that breakage is also more. Okay, so that hurt is also more. So same way, when father is unavailable, we expect our elder brother to replace that position, but when that also doesn't happen, that also hurts us, affects us, isn't it? So all these put together, we have seen, witnessed, and generation after generation, woman itself has that instinct. After I'm getting married, my husband is my everything, my husband is going to come till my last breath, so he will only take care of me. So all these expectations, which I wanted unconditional love from my mom, I expected from my sister, I wanted that father's guidance and support, what all I expected from my brother, everything put together, all that bond, connection, friendship, love, lust, everything I wanted from my husband. So and we in our parents house itself, all the studying time goes off, we finish college, we go for a job, or we don't go for a job, whatever it is. And then we get married, we go to husband's house. After going to husband's house, and to husband's house also we went with this much of expectations. After going to husband's house also, nothing happens, same thing sprouts out there also, because we have not healed. Okay, same thing sprouts there also, same emotional unavailability, financial unavailability, moral support unavailability, physical support unavailability, and we completely slash down and splash into pieces, break into pieces, and just shatter down and fall down. Our energy field completely gets pada 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 pada, it falls down. Okay, so it takes long time to mend back for us and get up, gather ourselves and get up. Okay, so when we get up, also we are always with emptiness. That is the today's present situation, what I said in the starting. Okay, so that is why women live in that emptiness, desperateness, neediness, frustration. Okay, in this situation, you are searching for a person who can understand you. Okay, now understand one basic concept. Okay, what is that basic concept? When universe will not give you what you want, universe will give you who you are. So who you are now, what is your vibration? You are a traumatic person who's searching for unconditional love and support, who will understand you as just who you are and who will love you just as the way who you are. Okay, this is who you are from within. Now I'll tell you, give you an example. Okay, so what happens is you are using cell phone. With cell phone, if I give, it will be easy now. So cell phone, that is what we are using on everyday basis. In cell phone, you have opened the front screen and kept it as WhatsApp. That is your day to day life routine. You are thinking, I'm just on this page only, I'm just on this WhatsApp only. Every day I'm seeing this WhatsApp, replying this WhatsApp, and living on this WhatsApp only. Okay, this WhatsApp is as your front screen. Now what you do when you are free all the time, you can't keep sitting in the WhatsApp itself now. So remaining times when you are finished the work in WhatsApp, what you do, you come to other social media platforms. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, all those things. And you keep on scrolling, swipe only. Okay, scrolling. So when you're scrolling and swiping in that fast also, somewhere something catches your eyes and you stop. Okay, you stop and you just see a minute, play that and see. And if that is connected with you, and if that makes you, I want to listen this, oh, this is so superb, this is so awesome, if it gives you that feeling, you stop that, you watch that entire video, and after that again swipe only, completely swipe, keep on scrolling. So what is that thing you watched? That is what is your expectation, that is what is you are longing for, that is what is you want. Your favorite song, or your favorite love scene, or your favorite love dialogue, or your favorite movie in which the friendship blossoms into love, such things only you would have stopped and watched now. So your expectation, your what you want in life is that only. Okay, that is the actual need of yours. Okay, so all the apps which is opened in the behind screen, now WhatsApp is in your front screen, you have kept that as front screen only now. So what are all the apps opened in the behind screen, are your deep desires, that is the real you, and that is what you want in life. Okay, when this is on one side, in real life, what you're doing, this is all is your what you're doing in life. Okay, so this is not what you are living, and you have not even realized what you're doing. Okay, and in real life you happen to meet a guy. Okay, and you happen to meet a guy, you happen to mingle with that guy, you happen to talk with that guy, you happen to develop friendship with that guy. And when you develop that friendship itself, what happens now, you people talk so much, and you get a feeling that, oh, this person is like my resonance only, this person is like how I am, same like that only this person is. In initial 1 week, 10 days only, you start thinking like that. And after that, what you do, you tell all your story to that person. And as days pass on, you are connected very well. What you tell is, on daily basis, whatever is happening to you, you start pouring out to him. Okay, you use him as an emotional baggage. Okay, and you tell all your traumas, worries, botherations, everything to him. And what I said, who you are from within, you are still an unhealed person who is carrying all the mother wounds, father wounds, inner child trauma, inner feminine trauma, inner masculine trauma. Okay, you are not yet healed. In that state, you are still searching for a person who can understand you, who can accept you, and who can love you as just the way you are. Okay, that is your longing, you want. But other thing what I said is also, universe does not give what you want, universe gives who you are as a vibration. So I also said who you are as a vibration from within. Okay, so now you are happening to talk to a person, and you always had a botheration. What is that? I don't even have a person to tell my botheration even. Okay, so when you are with so much of botheration, when you are with so much of trauma which is there unhealed, automatically universe also will give you such a person only, no? That is your vibration, you will get your vibrational match only. So how will that person be your twin flame? See, twin flame journey is becoming your best version. Okay, so that best version is terrace. You are there in ground floor, there are steps. Okay, so if you climb those steps only, you can go to terrace. If you have a flying capacity, you can fly and go to terrace. But we are humans, we are born with climbing up steps only. Okay, if you climb step by step only, you can go to terrace. Terrace is the best version. That best version is the highest frequency, highest vibration of yours. What is, for example, 731 is your highest frequency, not more than that or not less than that. Okay, and that 731 will be your twin flames frequency also. Only when you go to that highest frequency, you will manifest your twin flame and you will be in union with your twin flame. So you have to climb all those steps to go to that 731 frequency. Now you are in the ground floor standing and watching, oh, this is how I have to go, oh, there I have to reach, like that you are seeing. That is terrace, there I have to reach, you are seeing like that. Okay, and now you were in some other room, okay, with your whatever life situation you had. Now from that room you came out and you came, oh, this is my path and I have to climb. You are standing in that ground floor and seeing upstairs. Okay, so now might be that first step would have 30 hertz vibration. Okay, so when you climb that first step, who are all in the first step only, even your twin flame also can travel with you itself along with that first step to last step and come to terrace. But until he comes to terrace, you will not know that person is your twin flame. You will treat that person also like a karmic person only. When your twin flame is also unhealed, when you are also unhealed, you both will be worse than karmic. Know that. Okay. So, so only when you go to your highest vibration, there is no highest more than that. To that level, when you reach only, you will identify, you will recognize, you can confirm your twin flame. Okay. Until that, you can only travel with your twin flame, even if your twin flame is along with you. Okay, so first step, when there is 30 hertz, only you will attract people who are in 30 hertz. Second step is 60 hertz. You will attract people only who are in 60 hertz. So like that, for every step, the people you attract will be different. So will you keep all that steps, all the people who are coming along with you, will you think and keep feeling that? But that is what is happening. This could be my twin flame. This could be my twin flame. This could be my twin flame. And you, what you will do out of your desperateness and out of your neediness and out of your longing and all, what you'll do, you yourself will voluntarily go and attached, because you want to fill your emptiness with something. So you are going and filling that with that attachment, filling that emptiness with attachment instead of self love. So it is you who are creating all these things. If this will be okay if you want to manifest a specific person, and if you are in obsessive journey, if you are so much obsessive for that a specific person, then this will be okay. But if you are in true twin flame journey, if you want to manifest only a twin flame, this is not going to work out. You have to be very self committed for your self development and self improvement. You have to become your best version. Okay, so what I'm telling is, if you want to manifest your true twin flame, don't deviate from the journey. Don't keep on searching for, can this be my twin flame, can this be my twin flame, like that. Go straight to the terrace. Once you go and live what is your core frequency as your life, being in the terrace, automatically universe will bring your twin flame to you and give him to you. Okay, so don't be desperate, don't be in that neediness, and in that neediness, don't attach yourself to people thinking that this could be my twin flame. Don't jump into relationship that fast, don't give yourself to the other person that fast. So please break up with all these dramas here, if you are in true twin flame journey and if you want to manifest your true twin flame. Okay, this is today's video. So tomorrow's video, let us see what is the difference between karmic bond, what is the difference between trauma bond, soulmate, twin flame, all these four things. Okay, until then, bye.